This is a Whirlpool dishwasher. Right there you can see the make. Alright, here's your simple problem. This baby, it ain't draining. In fact, when you turn it on to drain, you hear that noise? Grinding like that? That's the pump. Now this has two pumps. This is the pump that makes the water go out. If I can do this job, anybody can. I'm going to show you how to change the pump. Alright, after you've pulled your dishwasher out and you've got it kind of tilted up like I do, you can see right there, that's your pump. The cool thing is they actually don't require any tools. Those boogers are twisted on. You'll twist it off, which first you want to get your wires loose. Alright, as you can see, I've got my wire pulled off. It's got a little tab. You just pull it to you and the wire pulls out. Next, we're going to twist this pump off. Now when you do this, always have you a towel or a bucket underneath here. As you can see, this pump, it was bad shape. It was coming apart. And they just twist right off. You'll get your new one, which I've got right here, and you just twist that baby back on. And don't forget to put your wire back on. Make sure when you twist it on, you make sure that's good and snug. Alright, now we're going to put her back in place and test it out. Alright, to test it out, need some water. So we're going to pour some water in here. Close her up. Let's see if this thing empty. See, it sounds a lot better. So we'll check it and see how empty it is.